back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Now today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Arabella. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area, but let's go ahead and get into this beauty. Yes, I know what I picked. No, I have not opened up the box because I like to unbox it with you all, and I didn't want to pull this bow. I didn't, but we're gonna pull it right now and get into what's in this box. Okay, I already like the way that it's packaged up, and then your unit comes in this little paper. All right, and it just included an HD wig cap, an edge brush, and then an edge band and a pair of lashes. But let's go ahead and get into this wig. I can already tell just from the paper alone that Miss Thing is plucked out. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is their PureLuxe Airtouch Balayage Burgundy Highlight Wig. This one is a blowout wavy style, and it has a 13x6 lace frontal area. As you can see, these are the curls straight out of the box. It's looking super cute. This is your cap construction. You get a comb on each side. This is your lace area. You can tell that they went ahead and pre-bleached those knots. Also, stretchy cap. You also get a comb in the nape area. And right here, you get a drawstring for extra security. I am so used to seeing the removable adjustable elastic band that I had to turn it around and say, where's that? Because I'm just used to seeing that. Now I'm hoping that this fits me well. You guys know that I have a really small head. Now right here in the front area, I feel like the lace might be just a little too light. You guys can see right here. So I'm probably going to go in with some of my tint spray. You know what? I'm gonna try this on first and then we'll see, because maybe once I put it on, it might not look too light. So let's put this on first. So this is what it is looking like on, and I knew. But yes, I am gonna go in with some of my tint spray because I wanna make sure that this is going to blend in well to my skin. However, let's talk about this hairline. This hairline, yes ma'am, she's plucked out. And once all that blends in, it's gonna look so good. That's your parting space right there. And then, of course, you can move your parting space to the side if you are not a fan of the middle part. The one thing that I am noticing with this 13x6 area, I don't think I'm going to have to cut off any lace. Let me make sure I adjust this to where it needs to be. If I do, it's going to be really tiny, but it's sitting perfectly in that area. Right now, I'm not noticing any super big amount of room in the cap area, and I have not even pulled my drawstring yet. So as of right now, it's laying down flat. The cap is not bulging. So once I pull everything, we'll see. It's 24 inches in length, but once I comb out everything, then you'll really get to see what it looks like once these curls drop. So I'm super excited to try this one out. So we're gonna go ahead and tint our lace, install this beauty, and then we're gonna style this up. And of course, I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also so you can hear my final thoughts.
When your nights get lonely and you know he ain't coming through, and all that sexual frustration get the best of you, want you to come and take it out on me, take it out on me. Tonight we gon' be sexing, let out all of your aggression. When you take it out on me, take it out on me, girl. Don't think about it, just take it off and take it out on me. Feeling you low-key, we should keep it on the under now, cause I got a feeling your boyfriend on me. This shit could get so deep, but if you don't mind, then I don't mind. This temptation got me feeling so weak, cause I've been having visions of getting you alone and trying all my favorite positions. I know You better be ready. Take off all of them clothes, leave on them Giuseppe's. Put it down like it's heavy, if only you let me. I'ma go in, you gon' tell all of your friends. They gon' be in my DMs.
I gave you guys 3 style options with this unit. It already comes as a middle part, and then I did a cute little half up, half down, and then I just switched it over to kind of a flip over. I don't know if this is considered a full flip over, but I did not utilize a part, so I'm gonna consider it a full flip over. Hair already comes pre-curl. All you have to do is brush it out or comb it out. I did have to add some sleek and shine serum because I did notice some frizziness going on. Because of the color, I did not want it to come off looking too shiny, too sleek. And I actually like a little frizziness when it comes to these curls because it doesn't look super perfect. But I'm happy that it already came pre-styled. Totally up to you if you want to straighten this out. I will say that I feel like this does have a good amount of hair to it. I don't feel like there's any track showing in the back. It makes a really good ponytail. So I know that this color is going to look super cute also straightened out, but I had to showcase, of course, what it's gonna look like if you decide to style it straight out of the box. The length on this is fine to me. I'm only 5'2", so right now, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's still a little tightly curled towards the ends, but if I pull it, then it does come past my boob area. Okay, so just want to keep that in mind in case you feel like this is too long for you. Now, as far as the color goes, I feel like the color is done perfectly, especially for my ladies who want to dip into a good burgundy highlight wig, but they are scared it's going to be too much. This one is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It has the right amount of color to it without it feeling like it's too bold. And then I love that it's dark rooted at the top, so you don't have to worry about it not blending in. So they did a very, very good job when it came to blending this unit out. As shedding and tangling goes, I received like a few snags, not too many, but keep in mind, like I said, this is straight out of the box. I have not worn it all day. I do expect it to happen in the nape area. And then with shedding, I did get a few strands during the styling process, but nothing too dramatic as of now. You guys did see that I needed to add my tint spray, especially on the sides where the lace was, because it was still coming up too light. I would dry it down, try it on, dry it down, try it on, and the sides just did not want to cooperate. So I had to be heavy-handed when it came to that, and it came out looking really, really good. Now in the front area, I had to put like a little bit of a lighter powder because I probably put a little bit too much right there. Once it dried down, I feel like it was going to blend in well. Now I went in with my Eben Wonder Lace. I ran out of my olive oil spray, y'all. I need to get some more, but this works really good. I have the black bottle, but the yellow bottle I've been having for a while, so I'm trying to start using the products that I already have in my drawer instead of keep investing in new stuff. And yeah, probably gonna have to end up getting some more of that too because it's running low, but this is holding. It's not going anywhere. I was going to do an install with just mousse, but I knew I wanted my edges to lay down. And speaking of edges, your girl did not have to cut any lace off, okay? This has that V shaping, so it sits perfectly by your ear. And may I say, I'm impressed. The ear is not bending, okay? Not even on this side. Let's hit it on this side. The ear is not bending. Y'all see how the hair is just flowing and falling over and looking natural? I love that. I love that. So yes, I was happy I did not have to cut off any lace. It sat perfectly on my head. As the cap goes, I told you guys that it is fitting really good right here. And once I pull the drawstring, I still have to learn the drawstring trick when it comes to certain units, because sometimes when I pull it, I feel like the drawstring kind of bunches up, and that's where I'll have to go in and pin it down. Now, does this wig feel secure? Absolutely. But I just have to make sure that I pin it down, because if not, then it'll start to kind of roll up a little bit. Now, if you have a smaller head than me, maybe it might be a little bit too big right here, but if you have my head size and you learn how to work that drawstring and pin it up and tuck it under, I think you'll be good to go. It's not something that's gonna flop off my head. Even before I pulled it, I felt like it was on good, and I didn't worry about the cap doing too much. So yeah, this fits very, very comfortable on my head. Like I stated, I love the color, I love the curls, and I think that this is a good one. I'm not mad at this at all. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Let me know which style was your fave. It looks good. I'm not mad at it. Definitely beginner friendly, and it's pretty much ready to wear. If you are interested in this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys